Namaste. This is the class of pharmaceutical analysis, and today we will study about the acid base titration and its curve. So the concept of weak and strong acid and weak and strong bases depend upon this. A strong acid dissociate or ionize completely in aqueous solution to form hydronium ions HO3 positive. So you can see here a reaction in which a strong acid, which is HCl, is react with the water and give hydronium ion with liberating ion outside. Then diagram of the strong acid ionizing to form hydronium ion is here given. Next, a weak acid does not dissociate completely in aqueous solution to form hydronium ion. So you can see here a weak acid. Acetic acid is added with water. It gives CH3COO, the hydronium ions, and diagram of weak acid not dissociating completely to form hydrogen ion. Next, a strong base NaOH dissociate completely in aqueous solution to form hydroxide ions OH. So you can see here the sodium is removed and dissociate into the hydrogen ion. Next, the diagram of strong base dissociating to form the hydroxide ion. A weak base does not dissociate completely in aqueous solution to form hydroxide ions. So NH4OH. The ammonium solution is here is dissociated but not completely dissociated. So this reaction give the weak base not dissociating completely to form the hydrogen ion. Next is the example of weak and strong acid and base which we use. So you can see the type and their examples. So strong acid is hydrochloric acid, HCl, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3. Then weak acid is acetic acid, CH3COOH, hydrofluoric acid, HF, oxalic acid, COOH2. Next, then is the strong base. Sodium hydroxide NaOH is the strong base. Then potassium hydroxide KOH is also a strong base. Then lithium hydroxide LiOH is also a strong base. Then weak base ammonium hydroxide NH4OH and ammonia is NH3 is a weak base. Next, weak acid and weak base always exist as conjugated acid base pair in an aqueous solution as represented below. So you can see here diagram of HA acid and A is conjugated base here. H is acid and next is conjugated base here. So you can see it when it reacts with the water, it gives H3O and a conjugated base. Here HA is acid and A is termed as the conjugated base of HA. Next, base. Here A ion plus water give OH plus HA. The diagram of A ion based on the HA conjugated base. In the above reaction, A is based and HA is conjugated acid of A ion. Rule of thumb is weak acid have strong conjugated base. So you can see here the weak acid has strong conjugated base while weak base have strong conjugated acid as shown in the above two reactions. If HA is a weak acid, then the conjugated base A will be strong base. A. Similarly, if A is the weak base, then conjugated acid HA will be the strong acid. So here we have completed this. Hope you will understand about the strong base and strong acid concept. For any query you can comment below. Thank you.